I am Vasu Manoj, currently working as a deputy manager, content creator at BSS Sonata Microcredit. My journey has been quite interesting. I learn continuously through work experiences and the feedback. I choose ABBS because of their industry orientation approach, the way they focuses on the overall personality development of the student, the field exposures, and the interaction with the faculty.
Hi, I welcome to Change Makers by ABBS podcast. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for welcoming me.
So, before we get into the actual conversation, would you mind letting us know a bit about yourself, your journey so far, and also the work that you do?
Okay. I am Vasu Manoj. I started my career in hotel management and later pursued an MBA from Acharya Bangalore B School. I worked with BSS Microfinance as a deputy manager content creation, where I focus on the design training and learning content that makes complex ideas simple and practical.
So, how did your transition happen from hotel management to MBA and then to content creation?
My journey has been quite interesting. Hotel management taught me a lot about the people, communication, discipline, and the process. While working, I realized that more interested to planning, training, and decision making side of the organization, which led me to pursue an MBA. Okay.
Yes.
During my MBA, we see multiple departments, MBA like HR, finance, marketing, and all. In the HR file, I discovered content creation is a way to combine creativity with business knowledge. And then when I decided to my career as a learning and development.
Right. So, what does your role as deputy manager content creation at BSS Sonata Microcredit involve?
At BSS Sonata Microcredit, my role mainly involves as a training and learning content developer. I work on creating CIT modules, ILT modules, digital content, and special and onboarding training, and animated videos, and lending materials for employees at different levels. Okay.
Okay.
And the idea is to make sure employees clearly understood the process, compliance and the
Mhm.
concept, especially in a field driven organization like microcredit. Right.
Yeah.
My focus is always one thing, always I need to make the learning simple, practical, and impactful.
So, what skills are most important for creating impactful training content?
The most important skill is understanding the learner. First, we need to understand who is our learner. Okay. Along with that, we need to have the clear communication. Okay. And structured thinking. And we need to have the creativity. Okay.
Yeah.
And the ability to simplify the complex information and making training content effective. First, what I tell is always we need to see who was the target audience. Okay. Based on
Yeah.
the target audience, we need to plan the structured information. And that the structured information I will prepare. That information need to be it need to be effective for the field. So I will tell these are the skills which need to be important.
Right. So, how do we stay consistent with learning and professional growth?
I learn continuously through work experiences and the feedback, what I receive the feedback from my past work. Okay. And I will read and experimenting with the new formats. I believe clear learning happens when we constantly apply with what we learn. What we learn, we need to practice. Here, we don't need to think if I did this one, what will happen? If I did this one, what will happen? First, we need to experiment the things, then we need to see.
Right. So, what advice would you give to students who want to build a strong career early in their life?
My advice would be they need to start their career early. Okay. And they need to stay curious in the industry. If they was not in the curious, that things maybe will come, but it may be late. Okay.
Yeah.
They don't need to wait for the perfection. First, they need to start. They need to focus on building the strong fundamentals. What the fundamentals they need to be in the industry. First one will be the always communication. They need to be strong in the communication, and they need to be adaptability because based on the company, suppose if you see the students, they will come from the different places. Some people may come from Andhra, some people may come from Tamil Nadu, some people may come from North India. Once they'll come here and they will adjust, they are adapting to the college culture, right? So similarly, they need to be in the adaptability to the companies. Okay. And I'll recommend one thing. Always the students needs to be stay in touch with the industry experts and the mentors. So once they was in the touch with the industry experts, they will get to know what is right, what is wrong, how industry is going. Okay. and they need to take internships as a serious. If you observe, most of the students won't take the internship serious, right? They need to
Yeah.
take internship seriously, and they need to always be learning from the mistakes. That's it.
Right. So now my favorite question: what made you choose ABBS for your MBA journey?
Actually, it was also one of my favorite question only, like
Yeah.
never will go. I choose ABBS because of their industry orientation approach
Mhm.
and the way they focuses on the overall personality development of the student and the field exposures, what the field exposures they provide to the students and the interaction with the faculty. Right. If you see most of the colleges, we are restricted to meet the faculty, but
Yeah.
the way how the interaction will be with the faculty, once the students will be interacting with the faculty, they will get to know what was the real world applications will be happening. Yeah. And one more thing, in the ABBS, we will always see the faculty like a gurus. Like,
Yeah.
because they will work very hard for our consequent growth. They will tell this, you practice on this, you people need to practice on this. The way they monitoring, like how our parents will monitor, like how our parents will guide, how our father will guide, how our mother will take it. Same like that, they will guide in the way of gurus. So that's the main thing what I choose the ABBS.
Right. So what is that one e-learning that ABBS gave you and that you still use in your job today?
One key learning from ABBS that I still use today is structured thinking. Okay.
Mhm.
And the professional communication. The regular presentations and the academic discussion helped me to sustain in this organization pro clearly, which directly reflects in the way I design training content and communication with the stakeholders in my current role. Like what I need to tell means the way they will ask us to presentation, right? So once by giving the regular presentations and all, like now as a trainer, I need to be present, right? It helped
Yeah.
me here to reduce my stage fears and all. Like I got to know the idea, like how we need to speak to the people and the preparation, what we do prepare for the presentations. Like it helped me here
Yeah.
to get in the role of content creator.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. It was really an insightful conversation and thank you so much for joining us in today.
Thank you.